Today I want to show you how I clean this floor mat to go from this to this. And I'm going to do this with just common tools found around your house. And then I'm going to go one step further and use an item that I purchased from Amazon that's relatively inexpensive, that's going to really pull out some of the really deep stains and leave you a nice clean finish just like this. Now this simple procedure that I'm going to show you is something you can even do on your cloth seats or any other carpeted area in your car. This is definitely going to take more than just a quick vacuuming. You can see some of the deep stains here, and most of the stains are concentrated over on the left side. So let's take a look at some of the steps that we're going to do to be able to deep clean this mat. So for now, forget the water extractor over on the right. Concentrate on the first 4 steps. First, we're going to vacuum some of the loose dirt out, and I have this scrub brush here on the end of my vacuum to really agitate the carpet fibers and get the dirt out. Next, we're going to pre-treat the stains to really pull the stains out, and then we're going to scrub with the pre-treatment on the deep stains. And you're going to want probably a harder bristled brush. And then we're just going to take, and you can stop right here. Forget the hot water extractor right now. I'm going to show you what it's going to look like with just wiping up the pre-treated stains. And it actually looks really good without this hot water extractor. But for those who are interested, I'm going to show how much more of a deep cleaning you can get with a heated hot water extractor. Now this was relatively cheap on Amazon. Head down into the description and click the link to see what the price is right now. Okay, with all that being said, let's go ahead and start deep cleaning these carpets. I want you to really take notice of these couple stains over here on the left side. You can see this is where most of the action is going to take place. After pulling up the fibers, now we need to pre-treat some of these stains. I'm going to try to concentrate on some of the deep stained areas, while also giving a light coat to some of the other areas just to be able to completely clean the entire mat. The instructions on the bottle said to let the pre-treatment sit for about 3 to 5 minutes after you apply it. I'm going to try to concentrate over here on the left side, and then once we scrub and wick up some of the pre-treatment solution, then I'll go over to the right side. So let's go ahead and zoom in on one of these really deeply stained areas. I just have a scrub brush, and doing this manually definitely was a chore and very tedious. So there are some professional detailers out there who have automatic scrubbing tools that really take off some of the tedious strain of cleaning car mats. At this point, we've gotten most of the deep stains out on the left side, and this was without the hot water extractor. You can see the effectiveness of just a simple vacuum, a pre-treatment solution, some scrubbing, and some dry, clean microfiber towels to wick up some of the cleaning solution. You can see it did a pretty good job here, but there still is a slight stain there as well. Overall, without the hot water extractor, I think these tools that are commonly found around the house do a pretty good job of lifting stains out of car carpet. I'm going to go over the entire mat once again with the pre-treatment solution and a quick scrub. I'll speed this part up since you've already seen it, but it is pretty cool to watch. After agitating the fibers once again with the pre-treatment solution and the brush, we're going to go ahead and start with this hot water extractor. Now, for those of you that do want to use a hot water extractor, do make sure if you purchase one on Amazon that it does have the heating element or heating option to it. It does help to have hot water. Also, a trick that I've learned is do not put the soap solution in with the hot water extractor. What you want to do is pull the pre-treatment stain up instead of adding more soap to the carpet. All I'm doing is just sprinkling some water to wet the carpet. Now, this whole process took about 10 minutes to clean this whole carpet. And there you go. That is how you super clean your car carpet mats. Now, that doesn't look too bad if I say so myself. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of these deeper stained areas. I'm not sure if you can tell, but there is, if you look close enough, still a little bit of a brown spot in some of these areas. I'm going to go ahead and try to tackle these again. I'm not sure if I wasn't using a strong enough cleaning solution, and I'm thinking that may have been my problem. I may have also needed one of those automatic scrubbers. Just scrubbing manually with a brush may have not really pulled some of these deep stains out. So we're going to try to tackle this area up here once again to just get some really deep cleaning action. So let's go ahead and pull back here, adjust the lighting, and then see what the final results are. I also want to compare what it looked like without the hot water extractor, and then again what you're seeing here with the hot water extractor. So this clip right here is back before we started using the hot water extractor. Take note that some of these stains are a little bit more visible without using the hot water extractor, especially the one in the bottom left here, and then this one right here. And then here it is right after the hot water extractor. Not a bad job if I say so myself. Now before I put the mat back into the truck, I do want to clean up some of this loose debris inside the trunk. I also want to give the mat a little bit of time to dry. Now that the mat has had a little bit of time to dry out in the open, I'm going to take a clean, dry towel and just go ahead and wick off some of the mat, just to be able to pull a little bit of the moisture out of the mat before I place it into the trunk. So there you go. That is the ultimate guide to cleaning your car floor mats. Now you can do this same procedure anywhere on your car carpets, as well as some cloth car seats. Now, if you like that video, I like making videos showing you how you can do things like a professional in your own driveway. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing to the channel if I earned it. And leave a comment letting me know if I did this properly and if there's any other technique that you would like to see done on car carpets. And that's it for now. This is James with AutOdometer. Thanks for watching.